Hey everyone, welcome to the final and last workout of the 7-day challenge. I'm so excited for you to join with me today. Today we're gonna do a full body float, no equipment needed, finishing off strong, so let's hop right into it. We are gonna start into a seated position right here. So extend that right leg long and the left leg is onto the ground. Extend those arms long. Roll those shoulder blades back, pull those abdominals in, and almost feel there is a little string pulling you up right here. Take a deep inhale through the nose. On the exhale, we're reaching that arm and right leg up to the sky and come back. I want you to really use that core here to drive you through that motion and really extend that right leg long. We're working full body right here. So we're reaching up and lower down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the right arm on your hip. Tiny little pulses with that right leg for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring the leg forward and reach it back. Use that core to reach that leg long and in front, working full body for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly bring the knee in. Bring that left elbow onto the ground. That right arm stays onto that right hip. Coming into a side plank right here. Coming into a hip dip and extending that right leg up and lower down for 10. Just activating that glute here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly lower down over to the side. The left elbow comes underneath your head. Extend that right leg longer, reaching the right leg up and lower down. Up and lower down. Even going down, I want you to really squeeze that leg, squeeze that inner thigh here. And feel that resistance for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here, tiny little circles forward. Keep this very small and controlled. We're here in an orange shape, and so keep it a small little round for 4, 3, 2, and 1, and reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly bring it in. We're coming onto our back right here. Bring the right knee into a tabletop. Bring the left knee into a tabletop. The arms come behind the neck and your elbows are wide. Deep inhale through the nose. On the exhale, bring the head, neck, and shoulders off to the ground. Now I want you to extend the left leg long, extend the right leg long, and reach with both arms. Extend the left arm long, right arm long, and reach with both arms. 6 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1, and lower down. Okay, I want to work a little bit on those side abdominals right here. So come over a little bit onto the left side of your body. Extend that left leg long and reach that right arm up to the sky. We're coming into a really big scissors right here, but lean over on that left hip for 8, 7, working full body here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly bring the knee in, and we're going straight over to the other side. So again, reach those legs into a 45-degree angle to the right. Reach that right arm long. That left arm reaches up to the sky. And scissor right here. Slowly lower those legs down and up. For 8, 7. That core is firing up here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back in. Those arms come into a T. Let those legs fall over to the left and look over to the right. Feel this nice deep stretch into that body. Take a deep inhale. And exhale out. Bring the knees over to the right side and look over to the left. Feel that stretch. And then slowly brush yourself up. And we're going into that leg series on the other side. So this time, come onto your right leg. Extend the left leg long. Reach those arms into a wide T. Neck is long, spine is straight, and almost feel like someone is pulling you up. So really find that nice posture right here. Engage that core, take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, we're reaching the left leg and left arm up. And slowly come back to the middle for 10, 9. Do this slow and controlled. Don't swing the leg. 8, 7. Great job. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Bring the left hand onto that hip. Little leg pulses here for 10, 9. Engage that core. Open up that chest. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Reach the left leg forward and open up. Use that core to move that leg forward and backwards. Keep that hip high. I know we are working full body here. Feeling that burn for 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come on over to your right elbow right here. Come into a side plank. Hip is high. Left arm is on top of that hip. We're slowly lowering down those hips and opening up that left leg. Hip dip and open up for 8, 7, 6. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly lower down. Place the right hand underneath the head. Now slight bend into that right heel. The left leg is nice and long. Pull those abdominals in, and we're reaching the left leg up to the sky and lower down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here, tiny little circles forward. This is an orange shape, so keep it small and controlled for 8, 7, 5, 4, I skipped one, you guys, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. It's been a long week. I'm so proud of you guys for joining me here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Bring both knees in, take a deep inhale. We're opening up that left leg and slowly lowering down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly bring it back in. Great job. Press yourself up. Come into a quick little child's pose. Extend those arms long. Feel a nice deep stretch. Let those shoulders relax into the ground. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And then slowly roll over to your all fours. Coming into a couple cat-cow stretches here. So really push those shoulders wide. Press that back up and then slowly lower down. Open up the chest, eyes to the ceiling. And just repeat this a couple times onto your own pace. So open up and come back in. And then meet me on a neutral spine. Roll the shoulder blades back. Now shift your weight a little to the right side of the body. Take a deep inhale through the nose. On the exhale, we're reaching that right arm and that left leg. So opposite arm, opposite leg long. And then slowly bring it back in for 8, 7, 6, keep breathing, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here, tiny little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here. Place both arms onto the mat. Now I want you to slowly come into a push-up, but those elbows are staying next to your body, and that whole upper body, that chest is reaching to the ground for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly push yourself into a child's pose. Extend those arms long. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. And meet me back into those all fours. Roll the shoulder blades back, going straight into the other side. Shift the weight over to the left side. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, we're reaching opposite arm, opposite leg. So this time the left arm and the right leg extends out and slowly come back in. That core is tight, keeping that balance. Extend that long, leg long. Feel that squeeze into that butt. Feel that strength into those arms and feel that extension right here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the leg up. Arms are coming onto the ground. Same thing into our push-ups. Roll the shoulder blades back, pull the abdominals in, and then slowly those arms are bending. But make sure those elbows are staying tight next to that body. Parallel while going down. 8, keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back up and shake it out. Place those arms together and open up that chest. Feel that nice stretch. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Okay, we're coming into our final exercise here, our final exercise of the 1 week challenge. So make it a good one right here. Okay, we're coming into a reverse like tabletop right here. Squeeze those legs, and then we're slowly coming into our tricep dips right here. We're very slow and controlled. We only have 10 of these and we will be done with today's full body workout. 8, squeeze, 7, 6. So it's not just those hips going down, it's also those elbows bending and working those triceps. 4, 3, 2, and One more. And squeeze back up. Bring the hip down and shake it out. You did an amazing job. We're coming into a little child's pose right here, but this time those hips are facing upwards. Take a deep inhale. Exhale out. And come to those all fours. Reach those right arm to the sky and then slowly tread it underneath the left. Extend that left arm long and feel that rotation into that upper body. Inhale and exhale out. And switch to the other side. Reach that left arm up to the sky and then slowly reach it underneath. Extend the right arm long. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And come to a seated position. You are all done for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to the channel, I feel you got a really good introduction of what we do on kind of these Pilates programs. If you want to follow more and if you want to do longer form workouts, you can find them on my platform, soulsyncbody.com. You can start a free trial, and yeah, I will see you guys there. Bye bye.